Hola chicos, en esta lección vamos a aprender a conjugar los verbos en el tiempo futuro. Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to learn how to conjugate the verbs in the future tense. Before we begin, I'd like to remind you that the notes to this lesson are attached to today's assignment in Google Classroom. Please be sure to have your notes while viewing the video so that you can fill in the necessary information. Okay, so let us begin. What is the future tense? The future tense is a tense that will say what you are going to do in the future. In other words, the future indicates what someone will do. Okay? I will do homework. You will learn Spanish. We will listen to the teacher's instructions. It tells what someone will do in the future. Okay, so how do we conjugate the future tense? First thing to note with future tense is that unlike some of the other verbs we have learned already, the future tense does not require you to drop the ending of the verb, meaning the AR, ER, and IR ending of the verb. Instead, we add the conjugation to the infinitive verb. We add the conjugation to the end. So let's look at how we conjugate the verbs. Okay? Yo nadaré. Tú nadarás. Él, ella o usted nadará. Nosotros nadaremos. Ellos o ustedes nadarán. Okay, let's look at the ER verb endings. Yo comeré. Tú comerás. Él, ella, usted comerá. Nosotros comeremos. Ellos o ustedes comerán. Now let's look at the IR ending verbs. Yo viviré. Tú vivirás. Él, ella, usted vivirá. Nosotros viviremos. Ellos o ustedes vivirán. As you can see from the chart, all verb endings are conjugated the same in the future tense form. Another thing to note is that they all carry accent marks except in the nosotros form. Additionally, the future tense does not have any stem changers, but they do have irregular verbs. The irregular form of the future tense we will learn later on this week. All right, so now let's look at how do we form questions with the future tense. Okay, so this is how we will form questions. ¿Qué harás tú? What will you do? ¿Qué hará él o ella? What will she or he do? ¿Qué harán ustedes? What will you guys do? ¿Qué harán ellos? What will they do? Now that you have learned some of the rules of the future tense form, let's practice. In the Practiquemos section of your notes, please translate the following phrases in español, in Spanish. Will you study Spanish tomorrow? I will drink more water. They will wash the dishes. We will cook breakfast. We will open the window. We will run to the park. Remember to use a future tense form of the verb. Okay, guys, that concludes the lesson for today. We will go over the sentences in class. Adios.